Hello YouTube, I'm back with another unboxing. I bought this ab stimulator and this one is rechargeable. Let's see, USB rechargeable. I've seen a lot of reviews on these things. Some people like them, some people don't. Some people say they work, some people say they're a joke. So I thought I'd try it out for myself. I don't really do a lot of ab workout. I do a lot of body weight exercise, but not ab workout. But this is for a later video. This is just an unboxing right now. So this is from OQWM or 0QWM Bodybuilding. I'll put the link in the description. The place that I ordered it for. Well, I ordered it on Amazon for $50, and it shipped in about 3 days. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what this thing consists of, or what it comes with. Okay, looks like you got this part for your abs, and these ones, apparently you can connect them to your biceps, triceps, calves, thighs, other parts of your body, but this one here is mainly for your abs. It comes with these little pads. I guess you can set this on here so that your sticky pads on the back side of these don't get dirty. And I bought this one mainly too because I'm pretty hairy on my stomach, and a lot of the people that bought this in their reviews said that this sticks to the hairiest of people, so that's a good thing for me. And it comes with your little settings, power settings. They clip on here, and you can turn it on, minus the setting, and adjust the setting. Sorry about the neighbor's dog. USB cords. Looks like you can charge each individual piece, and that's what it all comes with. A little owner's manual, instruction manual, and the next video I make of this will be of me trying it out for the first time, and then I'll try to make one video maybe a week, or one video every other week, to see if there's any improvement in my body, or any strength, or if this thing actually does work. Thanks for watching the video. I know it was a pretty fast unboxing. There's the web page right there. I know it was a pretty fast unboxing, but forgive me for that. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you've ever tried one of these, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching again. Take it easy.